you believe it? Oh my God. There's a Route 23 here in New York also. I'm so excited about tomorrow. I've got a couple things to do before I go kayaking. Yeah. At Otsego Lake and probably on the Susquehanna as well. But these things, 1,600 Starlink satellites since May 2026. And right next to the price, 1,600. With this, which says that a high dose of microwaves is very harmful. It causes thermal heating and burns and damage. And although it says it's non-ionizing, which does not damage DNA, there's conflicting data on that too. So I'm going to be putting these right here in order to support this. Get it? Okay. Now, we can debate all we want about whether or not it's harmful. A high dose is something we take in every day. And if there's damage that can be done, and it involves burning things, it's light energy that is the problem, combining with light. It would be why the oceans are warming, because gases can't enter a liquid. Now, a liquid can evaporate. So a liquid can change into a gas, but a gas, unless it gets very cold, typically cannot change into liquid or combine with liquid. This is why when there's a forest fire, if you're near water and there's smoke, which would be a gas, in the air, you can go underwater and survive. Same thing with mustard gas or any other sort of toxic thing in the air. So to say that climate change is due to greenhouse gases is a gas. It's not correct. Light does enter our oceans. It goes down to a certain depth. And I know from freshwater experience, zebra mussels that clean up the water allows light to filter down. And what that means is if the toxic algal blooms are because of the clarity of the water and a whole new column of water being heated up. And the toxic algal blooms are a result of that larger column making the water warmer. That's why it happens late in the summer, because it has a chance to heat up. Are we going to do this to our oceans? Because this is what's going to happen. We get 80% of our oxygen from phytoplankton in the ocean. It doesn't come from these things. That's only 20%. But I'll tell you what our government's going to plan to do once they destroy all the trees. They're going to pretend that we have a lack of oxygen. The lies need to stop. This is fucked up. Elon Musk's Starlink company that has over 50% of all the satellites up there where we can't inspect them. See, we can inspect the ones that are on towers and on top of buildings. Those are decoys. They're meant to make us think that it's safe. The ones in low Earth orbit, who are we really going to trust to inspect for safety? The military? The government? Elon Musk, who's putting it up there? what are the safety standards of each of those? It's time you're held accountable. And your Mars idea, that's as crazy as a Mars bar. You nut.